Hello friends, today I am here with a new problem sum. Cube root of x plus cube root of y is equals to cube root of 2024. So what we need to find is, we need to find the value of x and y. Fine. So now let's start. Cube root of x plus cube root of y is equals to cube root of 2024. Fine. Now firstly we will factorize 2024. So 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 5s are 10, then 0 to 6 are 12. Again 2 2s are 4, here 1 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So now we can't factorize. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 3. So here we have 2 cube into 2 5 3. Fine. So we will write it similarly. Cube plus cube root of y is equals to cube root of, what we can write is 2 cube into 253. Fine. So now what we can write is, we can write 2 cube as, we will separate this 2 roots. Fine. So now what we can do is, we will write the same plus cube root of y is equals to, we can cut this out. So this will be 2 cube root of 253. So we are left with this term, right? Now we have simplified this term. Now what we have to do is, now we will assume. Now we have to find the value of x and y, but how we will proceed is, we will assume x equals to 253p cube. Why we are assuming this is, let's suppose if you have any, first I will assume y is equals to 253 cube. So if you have any confusion with this, then I am here with a simple one equation or a problem. Like if we have a square plus root under b square is equals to 9 into 11. If suppose we have this number, so what we can do is, here 9 into 11 we can write 3 whole cube 11, right? This we can do. Now if we are assuming a is equals to 11p square and b is equals to 11q square, if we are assuming this, then what we are doing actually is, we are writing it as p square, since it is a is, if we are putting this value here, if we put this value here, b is b square. If we are taking this, I am taking this as an example so that you can easily understand what I have done here. This is quite big term, so this might create some problems, so I am explaining this here with a simpler number. So here what we will be left with, since here square 11 will be same, but p square and p will get cancel out. P square plus root under 11 into root under q square. So this and this get cancel out, this and this get cancel out. So we will be left with p root under 11 plus q root under 11. Now here p plus q is, here root under 11 we have taken it as common, and p plus q is, we are left with p plus q. So what I meant to say is, here we have, this is So here this is equals to 3 root under 11. So what I meant to explain is we are assuming a and b as this, so that we can find out the value of a and b. We are assuming this just because we know that this will be same in both the term, right? This will be same in both the term, but p and q, this term we are not aware of this term, that what we will get from this term. So we are assuming x equals to 253 p cube and y as 253 q cube. So these are our assumption. So after assuming, now let's come to this equation. So what is the value of x? That is 253 p cube plus y is cube root of 253 cube plus, is equals to 2 cube 253. So now just like I have explained here with simpler number, we will be doing the same thing here. What we can do is, okay fine, I will take one more further, although we can do it escaping one step, but I don't want to escape it. So I am p cube plus, in the similar way we can write 253 q cube here. What I have done is I have separated these two numbers so that I can cut this down. So this and this get cancelled out, this and this get cancelled out. So we will be left with cube of 253, and here I have taken this number here, plus here this and this got cancelled out. So we will be left with cube root of 253 is equals to 2 cube root of 253. Now what I can do is I can take cube root of 253 as common, and I will be left with p plus q is equals to here 2 cube root of 253. So I hope you understood that why I have assumed this, so that I can cancel and make this term easier, means I have simplified this term. So now what I can do is I can cancel out this and this, fine. So I will be left with p plus q is equals to 2. This is our simpler version of this. So now this is our new equation. P plus q is equals to 2. Now what we can do is, now we will see, we will see that what will be the value of p when q is given, or q if p is given. Suppose let's start with 0. If the value of p is 0, fine, if the value of p is 0, what will be the value of q? If you will do here, let's start p plus q equals to 0. So if p is 0, what will be the value of q? Q will be, this will be 2. P plus q equals to 2. So value of q will be 2. In the similar way, if the value of p is 1 plus q equals to 2. So q will be, value of q will be 1. And here if the value of p is 2, so if this is 2, then what will this be? 0. So this is very simple calculation. Now what we will do is, now we have values of p, now we have values of q. So if we will put the value of p and q in this equation, we will get the values of x and y. Here we will get 3, since we have since we have 3 values of p and q, right? So we will get 3 values of x and y. So now let's start first taking value of p q is equals to 0 and 2. If we will take 0 and 2, x equals to 253 p cube, right? x1, so that will be 253 p0, so 0 cube, so that will be equals to 0. Now y1 is equals to 253 q cube, so 253 value of q is 2. So 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 cubes. See, what we can do is 2 cube into 253 was 2024. We know that. So directly we can write it as 2024. So we have one value of x and y. Fine. Therefore x1 y1 is equals to 0 2024. This is one value. Now taking p q is equals to 1 1 1 comma 1. So x2 will be 253 p cube. That will be 253. P cube is 1 cube. So 1 cube. 1 cube is always 1. So we will be left with 253. Again y2 is equals to 253 q cube. That is equals to 253. Again this is also 1. So that will be equals to 253. So x2 y2 is equals to 253 253. Fine. Now taking p comma q is equals to 2 comma 0 2 comma 0. So what we will get, x3 is equals to 253 p cube. So that will be equals to 253 2 whole cube. That we know 253 whole cube is 2024. Now y3 is equals to 253 q cube. So 253, what is the value of q is 0. Anything to the value multiply by 0 is 0. So this. So now we know x cube comma x3 comma y3. And third value of x and y is 2 2024 and 0. So therefore we have three values of x. Three values of x and y. Fine. So this is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3. So this is 0 comma 2024, this is 253 comma 253 and this is 2024 comma 0. So these are the three values of x and y. These are the three values of x and y. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.